Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Fun English Duo. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Thomas. Hi, friends. Great to see you again. Today, we're talking about something very useful, something we use every day when we talk about our lives.
Yes, today we're learning how to talk about yesterday.
Exactly. And that means we'll be using the past simple tense. Don't worry, we'll make it super easy and fun.
Like always, we'll show you how to talk about your day yesterday, step by step.
Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to Fun English Duo and like this video.
And share it with your friends who are learning English too. It really helps us a lot. Thank you for your support. All right, Thomas, let's start with a question. What did you do yesterday?
Yesterday was a nice day. I woke up early, made breakfast, and went for a walk.
That sounds good. What time did you wake up?
I woke up at 6:30 in the morning. And you, Sarah, what did you do yesterday?
Yesterday, I woke up around 7. I drank some tea, listened to music, and started work.
That's a great start to the day. So, friends, did you notice we both used words like woke up, drank, listened, started?
Those are past simple verbs. We use them to talk about things that are finished, things that happened in the past, like yesterday.
Let's start simple. To talk about yesterday, we can say things like, I woke up, I went to work, I had breakfast, I watched TV, I talked to my friend.
Very good examples. The pattern is easy. Subject plus past verb.
Exactly. And remember, the past form of go is went, the past of have is had, the past of wake up is woke up, and so on.
Let's help our listeners practice. You can repeat these sentences with us. I woke up early yesterday. I had breakfast at home. I went to the office. I worked all morning. I watched a movie in the evening.
Great job. Now let's talk about a full day, from morning to night.
Yes, let's imagine your yesterday together.
You woke up. You opened your eyes and smiled.
You got out of bed. You brushed your teeth.
You made some tea or coffee.
You checked your phone. You read some messages.
Then you ate breakfast, maybe bread or fruit or eggs.
You left home and went to work or school.
You met your friends or your coworkers.
You worked, you talked, you learned something new.
You ate lunch, maybe something delicious.
You took a short break. You relaxed for a while.
You finished your work and came home.
You cooked dinner. You watched a movie.
You read a book, you talked to your family, and finally, you went to bed.
That was your day. All in the past simple tense.
So easy, right?
Now, let's review quickly. The main verbs we used are wake up, get up, brush, eat, go, meet, work, talk, learn, finish, come, cook, watch, read, sleep.
And their past forms are woke up, got up, brushed, ate, went, met, worked, talked, learned, finished, came, cooked, watched, read, slept.
Nice and clear. Now, Thomas, let's talk about regular and irregular verbs for a moment.
Good idea. Regular verbs are simple. You just add ed at the end.
For example, work, worked, talk, talked, play, played, cook, cooked.
Right. And irregular verbs are a bit special. Their past forms change completely.
Like go, went, eat, ate, drink, drank, come, came, buy, bought.
You just need to practice them slowly.
Yes, don't worry about memorizing all at once. Just start with common ones you use every day.
Exactly. Learn from your own routine.
Now, let's practice together. I'll ask, and you can answer in your mind. What time did you wake up yesterday? Did you eat breakfast? What did you eat? Did you go to work or school? Who did you meet? Did you talk to anyone interesting? What did you do in the evening?
Those are great questions to practice. When you think about your day, use the past form of verbs.
Now, let's do a mini conversation, just like real life.
Great. I'll start. Hi, Sarah. How was your day yesterday?
Oh, it was good, thank you. I woke up early and did some yoga. What about you?
I stayed in bed a little longer. Then I made breakfast and went for a walk.
That sounds relaxing. Did you work yesterday?
Yes, I did. I worked from home. I finished a few projects.
That's nice. I also worked in the morning. Then I met a friend for lunch.
Oh, really? Where did you go?
We went to a small cafe. We ate pasta and talked for a long time.
Sounds great. Did you watch a movie later?
Yes, I did. I watched a comedy. It was funny and relaxing.
Nice. I read a book before bed. It was a good day.
See, that's how easy it is to talk about yesterday.
Yes, simple sentences, clear verbs, natural tone.
Now let's practice the question forms for the past.
Good point. We use did plus base verb.
For example, did you go to work? Did you eat breakfast? Did you watch TV?
And to answer, we say, yes, I did, or no, I didn't.
Very good. Let's practice a few. Did you study English yesterday?
Yes, I did.
Did you call your friend?
Yes, I did.
Did you play a game?
No, I didn't.
Did you cook dinner?
Yes, I did.
Did you go out?
No, I didn't. That's it. Very easy.
Let's also try some longer answers. What did you eat for dinner yesterday?
I ate rice and vegetables.
What did you watch on TV?
I watched a travel show.
Where did you go yesterday?
I went to the market.
Who did you talk to?
I talked to my friend Anna.
What did you learn yesterday?
I learned 3 new English words.
Excellent! You can practice these every day.
Yes, at night, before bed, think in English about your day.
It's great practice for your mind. Just think, what did I do today? And answer yourself in English.
For example, I woke up late, I made breakfast, I watched a movie, I met my friend, I came home, I slept early.
That's how your brain learns to use past tense naturally.
Without memorizing grammar rules.
Exactly, by using it daily. Let's imagine one more full yesterday story together.
Perfect, I'll start. Yesterday morning, I woke up early. I drank coffee and read the news.
Then you took a shower and got dressed.
Right. After that, I went out to meet a friend.
You met your friend and you both went to a park.
We walked and talked. The weather was nice.
Later, you ate lunch together.
Yes, we ate pizza. It was delicious.
Then you came home, right?
Yes, I came home, watched some TV, and relaxed.
That's a perfect example of how to talk about yesterday.
Yes, and you can do the same. Use simple sentences, past tense verbs, and short details.
Let's review some more verbs together. Work, worked. Study, studied. Play, played. Watch, watched. Visit, visited, call, called, walk, walked, listen, listened.
And some irregular ones. Go, went, see, saw, do, did, have, had, make, made, take, took, get, got, come, came, ate, drank, drank, buy, bought.
Great list. You can write them down and practice using them in short sentences.
Yes. For example, I went to the park. I saw a movie. I did my homework. I had a lunch with my family. I made dinner. I took photos. I got tired. I came home. I ate dinner. I drank tea. I bought some fruit.
Excellent. Very natural and useful. So, Thomas, what do you think is the best way to master the past tense?
Honestly, just use it every day. Talk about yesterday every day.
Yes, every evening, take 2 minutes to think about what you did.
Say it aloud or quietly in your mind.
It's simple, powerful, and free practice.
Exactly.
Let's repeat some daily reflection sentences. Yesterday, I woke up early. I made breakfast. I went to work. I talked to my friends. I learned something new. I watched a show. I went to bed happy.
Perfect. Easy rhythm, easy structure.
So now you can talk about yesterday confidently.
You can describe your day, ask others, and tell stories.
Step by step, your English will sound more natural.
Just remember, use past verbs for finished actions.
Yes, and always speak slowly, clearly, and confidently. Thank you for joining us today.
Thank you. We hope this lesson helps you talk about your day easily.
Don't forget to subscribe to Fun English Duo.
And like this video if you enjoyed learning with us.
And tell us in the comments, what did you do yesterday?
We'd love to read your answers.
Keep practicing,
Keep smiling.
and see you next time.